Hi, I am Kalarimti from LionAI. Most people struggle to write reports, not because they lack information, but because they can't organize and present it clearly. And if you click this video, you are probably someone who wants to do it better than most. When people hear the word reports, they usually think boring, long, and tiring. But this tool can do much more than that. In some years, people have to read 100 plus pages, legal documents, contracts, and international agreements. And honestly, it takes a lot of time just to understand what's going on. Now here's where it gets interesting. There was a research paper that tested this notebook LM. They found that reviewing long documents like contracts became over 50% faster. That means not only speed increases, but your productivity also goes up. But wait, here's most important part. Imagine this, a company used the wrong HS code during an export shipment. Because of that small mistake, their goods got stuck at customs. Just one tiny human error, but it created a big business problem. And that's exactly why tools like NotebookLM matter. You can use it to review reports more accurately, reduce human errors, and understand complex documents much faster. But don't forget, even AI can make small mistakes. So always double check the results before using them. Use AI smartly and it can save you hours of work. Go to NotebookLM, try NotebookLM. Now create new notebook. Upload PDF, notes, or articles. You can ever paste text, research papers, legal documents, blog articles. Now I paste the link. NotebookLM will analyze your files. It understands the content automatically. You don't need to read 100 pages anymore. Now click this icon here under reports. What is? What is create your own? If you want full control, choose this option. You decide structure, you decide tone, you decide style. Best for advanced users or custom reports. What is briefing doc? Imagine you have a very long report and you need a quick summary. This option helps you get a summary very fast. You can generate reports quickly without reading everything. What is study guide? This creates short questions based on your content. It gives you questions and answers to help you learn. Very useful for studying. What is blog post? This turns boring content into an interesting blog post. Is to read and more engaging. Perfect for sharing information in a simple way. What is suggested format? NotebookLM understands your content and suggests the best way to present it. Even if your information is complex, it turns into a clear and readable report. At this time I select suggested format. Now I am going to select digital transformation roadmap. Now report has been created. I open it and also you can export these reports. Click these three dots. I select export to docs. Now this reports open from Google Docs. If you need to download this, click this file, go to download and you can download this as PDF, Microsoft Word, open document format, plain text. So I'm going to download as PDF.